student will be presenting an act on healthy, happy and clean environment.
Good morning everyone. Today we, the students of class 10, are here to present an act based on a theme, happy, healthy and clean environment. Plastic sticks around in the environment for ages, threatening wildlife and spreading toxins. Plastic also contribute to global warming. The littering of plastics in open spaces creates unhygienic conditions as it acts as a breeding ground for insects. We have seen so many animals eating plastic nearby you because we as human beings do not keep our surroundings clean and plastic free. There are so many animals like gorilla who eat plastic and die.
Oh my God, Gloria has eaten plastic. Someone please save her. Someone please save her. Someone please save her.
Many animals died because of eating plastic. It is because of our carelessness. So let's stop spreading plastic and feed the animals with vegetables and vegetable peels.